In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emphasis in ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to access the text-to-speech interface. To do this, log into your account at ElevenLabs.io. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, look for the text-to-speech option and click on it. This will take you to the synthesis interface where the magic happens. Now that you're in the text-to-speech section, the next step is to input your text. This is where you type out the script or sentence that you want to synthesize. Make sure that it's clear and structured, as this will greatly affect how the emphasis plays out in your output. So go ahead and type out your desired text. Don't worry, you can always edit it later. Once you have your text ready, it's time to select the correct model. You will find this option in the configuration settings. Look for the Model option and click on it. Now from the drop-down list, select 11v3 Alpha or whatever the latest v3 model is. This model is specifically designed to natively handle targeted emphasis, so you're on the right track. Next, it's time to highlight the areas of emphasis. Go back to your text box and identify which words or phrases need that extra punch. This could be a key point in your message or a certain expression that you really want to stand out. Highlight these specific parts or make a note of them so you're clear on where you want the emphasis to land. Once you've highlighted the emphasis areas, it's almost time to hear your work come to life. Now, click on the Generate Speech button. This is where ElevenLabs takes your text and turns it into spoken words. As the system processes your request, have a little patience, as it may take a few moments for it to render your track. Now, the exciting part. Press play to listen to what you've just created. This is your chance to review the output and see if the emphasis landed exactly where you intended. If you find that some areas feel a bit off, don't hesitate to go back. You can tweak the highlighted words or phrases, adjust the text, and regenerate the speech until you're completely satisfied. Remember, the power of emphasis can drastically change the tone and impact of your message. It's all about making sure that the key elements stand out, and ElevenLabs gives you an easy way to achieve that. So take your time, listen closely, and fine-tune your message until it's just right. And there you have it. You've successfully added emphasis to your text using ElevenLabs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until